This is the easiest way possible you could be profitable on the market. So straight from the weekly perspective on GBP USD, I spotted a candlestick pattern, the shooting star, a bearish reversal candlestick pattern right there on the chart. And guys, again, this is the weekly time frame, and you need to understand that the higher the time frame, the stronger the price action. And trust me, if you view and approach the market in the perspective that I'm about to show you right now, it's going to elevate how you view the market into a broader perspective, keep you in the trading game for long, and make you profitable no matter the circumstances of the market. And it's as simple as that, guys. All right, so let's get right into it. So quickly, right from this low, it was obvious and clear to me that we were in an uptrend, right? We can see price formed series of higher highs and higher lows, right? Until we got to this highs, we had a break of structure to the downside, taking out this low, and this low right there, right? And this informed me that the trend was about to change, right? And so normally after every break of structure, we would have price have a retracement or pullback, right? And so upon retracing back into the range of this high and low, we had a beautiful shooting star forming right there. And so quickly I put on my Fib, and right there we can see how strong the rejection was, right? Very sensitive to these Fib levels, right from the 78.6% retracement level down to the 61.8% retracement level, and even close below it. That was a big deal, right? Again, look right here. 3 consecutive weekly candles stuck in a range right before the shooting star. That also was a big deal for me. And so what did I do? I quickly placed my horizontal ray below the range, and once price breaks below it, I go in for a sell. So all I did was to sit back and wait for price to break below that level for me to go in for a sell. So I moved to the 1 hour time frame, and you can see the level right here. Price finally broke below that level, and this was exactly where I got into the trade. Now let's watch how this played out. First push. Beautiful. And at this point, we had already smashed our first TP. Look at that push. Look at that. Brilliant. Guys, so simple approach, right? All TPs smashed easily. And this is the easiest way possible you could be profitable on the market. Trust me. And as usual, send this to my Telegram community to also enjoy. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Let's grow together. Like this video and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you next time.